TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. Taking a look at the markets, all the major indices currently in the red. We got some volatility in gold. We got some volatility in the dollar. Dow Jones negative 87 points, trading 25,112. NASDAQ negative by 10, trading at 78.44. And S&P is currently negative by 4, trading at 28.11. Gold contract off just $1. Coming off the lows dramatically. We'll jump over to that in a moment. Excuse me, you have oil positive for the day, and the dollar index in negative territory as we speak after being much higher earlier in the session. Let's start things off and jump over to the futures charts. So we'll start it off with the currencies and what had happened. So dollar gains wiped out and treasury yields lower as Trump criticizes Fed. So you have President Donald Trump out there, the dollar index fall on Tuesday, and treasury yields edge lower after President Trump said he disagreed with Fed policy on interest rates and objected to a strong dollar. So that taking place right at about 1 o'clock, and you can see that on the charts. There's your 1 p.m. bar exactly. And dollar, euro dollar this is. So as euro was down here at 115.80, now spiked all the way to 116.80 as we saw that dollar pull back in weakness. Gold contract trading with some volatility on that news as well. Gold this morning down to 12.11, up now at 12.27. Quite a rebound off those lows for the gold bulls out there. Bitcoin struggling to really, not struggling, hanging around that 7,500 mark. Bitcoin trading 74.82. Crude oil trading much higher off the lows we had this morning as well. Crude traded from 66.60 all the way to 68.78, and from there off a bit, trading just above $68 as we speak. S&P 500 pretty much at highs of the session, trading at 28.12. NASDAQ 100 somewhat up near those highs of the session as well. NASDAQ trading 73.90, and Dow 30 right in the middle of its trading range, trading 25,098. And to check out those two real indexes, commodities jumping around. Gold, quite a number, keeping track, 12.26, and jumping back to that dollar, jumping around. Euro dollar trading 116.60 on the dot. Stay tuned. We have our man, David White, coming up right now with the Power Trading Hour. Should be an exciting couple hours as we wrap up this market day. And then, of course, Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. Have a great Thursday, everybody.